Well, hello there, it's that time of the month again. Well, I mean, it's time for another monthly Etsy digital products income report. Just before we get started, I would like to say thank you to all of the people who are subscribed to my channel. We just hit 1,500 subscribers and I'm very glad that you are here and you are tuning in for my videos, and I really hope that you are finding value in these videos. So, what are we going to talk about today? We will take a look at August's numbers. It's still not as good as I would like them to be, but I feel like we are starting to move in the right direction, especially because I started Pinterest ads again. I was trying to do this without ads, but as you all know, there was a big Etsy SEO and Etsy algorithm change in the past few months, I believe 2 months ago, and that also threw off my shop, and I feel like that affected the sales and the numbers quite a bit. I have been trying to bring all the listings up to date and for all of them to be as SEO optimized as possible, and I use my Sales Samurai account for that. If you would like to also optimize your listings for the new SEO rules, I have a 20% discount code for Sales Samurai. You can apply this code to the monthly or the yearly plan. You will get it 20% cheaper. It is a really good tool and it will help you in your digital product business. So yes, use code MSHF for 20% off Sales Samurai. And without any further ado, let's take a look at August's numbers. Oh, I almost forgot. My name is Emeshe. If this is the first time you are tuning in, welcome. Here on this channel I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. Let's go and take a look at my sales numbers and my profit numbers in my digital products Etsy shop for the month of August. Here you can see my Etsy statistics dashboard. I just replied to all of my messages, so there are no notifications there. Let's set the date with a custom date. So 8th until the 31st. Let's apply and let's see the results. So in August we made 4,430 euros. With the exchange rate now, it is about the same in US dollars as well. Our conversion rate fell considerably. It used to be 3.1 or 3.3, it depended on the month, but it always has been above 3%. And I think this is because of the Etsy SEO and Etsy algorithm changes. The traffic source percentages didn't change, so Etsy brought 70%, I brought 30%. And I turned on Pinterest ads only 2 or 3 days ago. So the effect of that is not very consistent at this moment. I hope that it will be in the next month. But we will take a look together. I will film these monthly report videos every month. So we had 20,000 visits, and Etsy says that we had 20% more compared to last year. Just for a second, let's compare it to 2021, and we can see that indeed we had more visits this year. I started heavily adding new listings around July and August last year, and that is what I'm doing this year too. I already added about 25-30 listings and I still have 30 to go. That is the plan for September, to add at least 30 new. You know what? At the end of the video, I will do a monthly to-do list that I want to get accomplished this month. I will write it in my planner and we will take a look together and figure out what we should do this month to move this shop ahead. So we had 606 orders. The Etsy says this is 6% less than last year. So although I have more listings now, I still had less orders, order numbers. The conversion rate fell, as I told you, 22% compared to last year. And Etsy says that our sales only decreased 3%. I think that this would be really good if we wouldn't have this inflation situation that we are in now. It would be an okay situation, but in 2021 and this year too, I see a really big fluctuation regarding the order values from day to day. This was my lowest day, or this was with only 37 euros. I cannot tell you when was the last time that I had a day this small, so it didn't feel good when I checked the statistics, but then it bounced back, and I think it will get better and better from now on. Now let's go over to the monthly statements tab. It's under finances, monthly statements. So let's expand these categories and let's take a look at the final numbers. So Etsy says that we had profit after all the fees and taxes and everything. We had a profit of 3,238 euros. We had a total of 4,411 euros in sales, out of which we paid 183 in VAT, 97 in tax, and we didn't have any refunds. Marketing costs. Etsy ads were 306 euros. I am still doing the $10 a day on Etsy ads. In just a bit we will take a look at how effective was that. Offsite ads were 52 euros and the usual Etsy Plus subscription. Etsy fees, I hate this part so much. So listing fees 158 because it's very close. We had 10 euros in credit because of the Etsy Plus subscription. Transaction fees 287 and processing fees, why? 369 euros. For a total of 1,172 euros. Just doing some quick math, I hope I nailed it. Yes, so yes. I am starting to get more optimistic now that August is over and now that we are slowly entering into the last quarter of the year. Yes, it will get better in September, I really hope so. Now let's take a look at the Etsy ads as I promised you. Let's check last month and we can see that we spent 310 euros and we made 523. This is much better than in the month of July. There we barely made any money on the ads, but this is it's getting better, I would say. Yes, this was the editable template shop. Now on my phone we will take a look at the printable planner shop. I will put the numbers right here so you can see it. So here in this shop we have made 573 euros. We have 34% less visits than last year. And let's check the revenue. Here it says I made 44% less than last year. So I'm not very happy about that, but this is it. In the month of August, Etsy brought 58% of the traffic and I brought 42%. Direct traffic is up considerably and social media is down. I haven't been promoting this shop on Pinterest either. Once I revamp the images, then I will start doing that. I already started, but I'm not finished. Now let's take a look at the monthly statement. As you can see, we made a net profit of 444 euros. We had 569 euros in sales and we had one refund. Here are all the numbers. And let's take a look at all the fees. We had 112 euros in fees. The biggest chunk is the processing fees as usual. In the other shop that is the biggest chunk as well. 300 and the marketing costs were 13 euros. I previously talked about the fact that the planner niche is very overcrowded and oversaturated, but I feel like I can turn this shop around and we can hit maybe a few months, a year where we make 1,000 euros, but ideally I would like to make at least 750, 800 in this shop after I revamp it and I start promoting it on Pinterest again. Now I will show you my planner and we will write out the goals for this month. Well, not just goals, but tasks that need to be done this month in order to move these shops along and to get them back to pre-summer state, I would like to say. Yes, I would like to hit... yeah, I will just take you over to the notebook and we will talk about this together. So let's talk about the tasks that need to be done in the month of September in order to move these shops along. So let's say September tasks. I feel like I should move you over to the other side because I am right-handed. Yeah, that's much better. So let's start with the template shop. So the first thing that we need to do is to add those 30 new listings. I will do 3 checkboxes, so every time I am done with 10 I can check off one box, and this is a very big motivator for me. The next thing that we are going to do is to update 15 cover images. And I will do 3 again for each 5 that I update. Not just in the printable planner shop, but in this shop as well, there are some listings that need to be updated because I feel like the cover images got very outdated, so I created a new design, well, a set of new designs of mockups, so now I have to add the listings to that. Okay, and the third thing that I want to do here is to SEO update at least 50 templates. So 50 listings. Well, here, update 15 cover images, I don't mean just the main image, but the whole set. This set has 5 images and I need to do that for each template that I'm selling. So yes, that's 15 times 5. So that's 75 images that I need to do there. And update 50 listings. Here I will do 5 squares that I need to check off by the end of the month. Tell me in the comments if you would like to see a mid-month check-in on the progress of these tasks or goals or whatever you want to call them. And now let's move on and set some tasks that need to be done for the planner shop. The link to the planner shop is down in the description. I do not feel comfortable sharing the link to the template shop, but the planner shop, yes. Here we need to finish the design of the new cover images for the business planners. I worked a lot on this and I created 2 sets that I didn't like, and the third one now I feel like it's coming alone, so that one will be okay. So yes, here we put 1 and let's say update all the business planners. I don't know how many do we have there, but let's put 3 now for 15. I hope that's enough. If not, we will finish it in October. Yes, and here we need to also SEO update the finance planners and the business planners. Here I will put 2 for each category, and I think that's plenty of work for 1 month. And another cool thing that I thought we should do together is to fill out this monthly income tracker. This page is included in my Etsy business planner. I will leave the link down below. But yes, I cannot remember from the top of my head the numbers for these months, but until I do the income report for September, I will fill in these months as well. But now let's do August, September, October, November and December. So let's do, for August I hoped that I would make 5,000 euros, but we made 3,682 euros, and there is a difference of 1,318 euros. So that's not the best, but we still made some money, and yes, that's good. So for September I'm going to set the goal to 5,000 euros again. And we will see how much we can make, but I really hope that it will be over 4,000 at least for the minimum, but I would like to be over 5,000. For October I would like to hit at least 5,500 euros. November is a 5 payday month, so I really would like to hit 7,000, and December, let's say 6,500 euros. So we will see, we will complete these numbers as we go along. So yes, here is the page, and we will complete it every month. Thank you very much for tuning in for today's video. If you made it this far, please comment September rocks, so that I know that you watched it all the way to the end. Thank you very much again if you made it this far. I really hope that you find these videos interesting, that's why I'm filming them, and also for me to remember how I felt when I made certain milestones or when I hit certain lows. The past few months have definitely been lows, but I'm very confident that things will pick up from September. Thank you for watching today's video. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I am trying to do one post and a few stories and one reel at least each day. That is my challenge for September, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!